In this video, I'm going to show you how to create, manage, and resend forms within a trip. First, let's go ahead and open a trip. Now in our trip view, you'll be able to see any forms that you've already created in here. And when you want to create a new form, you're just going to click the Add New button within the trip view. From here, you can go ahead and select Form. Now you'll have the option to create a brand new form right from here, or you can use a templated form you have already created from your library right in here, and you can also search for them. Now that I have a new form in here, I can go ahead and I can edit it from this window. I also can go ahead and preview it, and then I can share it just by clicking the Share button, and I have the option to get a form link, or I can just go ahead and email it directly to my clients from here. Now, if you ever need to resend a form response, you can do this very easily by clicking into the form. And then all you'll need to do is come over to the right, and there'll be a little arrow that you'll be able to resend that with them. Now, when you click the option to resend, we will save any values that you had previously included. So you can choose to edit this or keep it as it is. And then just go ahead and click resend form once again. If you ever need to archive any form, all you'll want to do is go ahead and click on that form. And then over on the right, you can choose those little three dots and go ahead and archive it. Now, if you ever need to go and review any archived items from this trip, just scroll to the bottom and click Show Archived like I've done here, and you'll be able to unarchive them or view them again for better organization. Now, if you have any questions or feedback about forms, please share it with our team at professional@travefy.com or by live chatting us from your account.